Welcome to Common Doubt Season 2 Episode 10. I'm your host Zian ANZAM with ANZAM Explains. Wireless charging is not a new concept for us. It has been around since the inventor and physicist Nikola Tesla first concluded that you could transfer power between two objects via an electromagnetic field. It is called electromagnetic coupling. It is the ability to transmit electricity through the air by creating a magnetic field between two circuits, a transmitter and a receiver. Essentially, wireless charging uses a loop of coiled wires around a bar magnet, which is known as an inductor. When an electric current passes through the coiled wire, it creates an electromagnetic field around the magnet, which can then be used to transfer a voltage or charge to something nearby. In simple words, the charger uses an induction coil, create an alternating magnetic field, which the receiver coil in the phone converts back into electricity to be fed into the battery. So with this episode, we have come to the end of Season 2 of Common Doubts. Thank you for listening for this whole season. If you like listening to my podcast or if you want to support me, you can buy me a coffee from the link in my description. I'll come back with a new season next time. See you.